Managing diabetes through diet doesn't mean giving up delicious food. Let's explore some tasty and healthy options. First, focus on non-starchy vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli. They're low in carbs and high in fiber, keeping your blood sugar stable. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are a great choice. They're packed with antioxidants and have a low glycemic index. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats provide essential nutrients and help control blood sugar levels. Don't forget lean proteins. Chicken, fish, and plant-based options like tofu and beans help maintain muscle mass and keep you full longer. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds and chia seeds, offer healthy fats and fiber, making them a perfect snack or addition to meals. With these nutritious choices, you can enjoy a varied and flavorful diet while managing your diabetes. Eat well, stay healthy. Thanks for watching AI Facts Horizon.